Hello everyone, today we're going to be solving question number 16 and 17 from the 2023 Mathcounts State Level Sprint Round. Question 16 reads, in the figure shown, PQRS is a rectangle and PQT is an isosceles triangle. Given that the area of pentagon PTQRS is 36 centimeters squared, what is the length PT? Express your answer in simplest radical form. Okay, first important thing to note is PQRS is a rectangle, so you know that these are all right angles, so angle PSR, SRQ, RQP, QPS, and then PQT is an isosceles triangle. In this case, PT and TQ are marked with these identical tick marks, which means these are the equal sides. Also, you know the area of pentagon PTQRS is 36 centimeters squared, so that's the shaded area. So shaded plus white area is total area. And here's what we know. We know shaded is 36 centimeters squared plus white area, we don't know its area, plus total. Well, it's a rectangle and it has one side length 5, one side length 12. So the total area is 5 times 12, which is 60. So 60 centimeters squared. That means the white area is 60 minus 36, which is 24 centimeters squared. And remember that the area of a triangle is half base times height. In this case, the base is 12. 12 times a half is 6. So that means this is equal to 6h in this case, which means that the height on this triangle is 4. Now for the last part, it asks for length PT. So the height, because it's an isosceles triangle, firstly the height drops down from it's a perpendicular to an altitude. This is the case for all triangles. But then since it's isosceles, this part is equal to the right half. So basically this is a 6. So PT equals, by Pythagorean theorem, square root of 4 squared plus 6 squared. You see that 2 squared is a shared factor in both of these, so you can pull out the 2, and you're left with 2 squared plus 3 squared. Yes, so this is 2 root 4 plus 9 is 13. So the length PT is 2 root 13 centimeters. Question number 17 reads, Lauren and Allie are going to race. Lauren runs 0.4 meter per second faster than Allie. If Lauren is going to run 100 meters, how many meters ahead of Lauren does Allie need to start in order for both runners to reach the finish line in 20 seconds? Okay, so suppose we know Lauren is running 100 meters. So let's say Lauren's speed is L meter per second. That means Allie's speed, Allie runs at L minus 0.4 meter per second. And we want them both to reach the finish line in 20 seconds. So suppose Allie starts with a head start of X meters. Then we know they're both taking 20 seconds. So this is her speed, right? So remember that rate into time is equal to distance. So rate, in other words, speed. This is speed. And in terms of time, we're given that this is 20 seconds. And we know Lauren's distance. We don't know Allie's distance, but we're adding this X because we know that she's going to be running the same distance as Lauren minus some head start. So X plus, well, now she's running L minus, this is her rate. You can put in units if that helps you see the unit conversions better. I won't because I think that's too many parts. So L minus 0.4 times 20 seconds. This is the number of meters that she travels in 20 seconds. And then Lauren is going to run 100 meters. And she wants to do this in 20 seconds. So this is 100. What this tells you immediately is that since she's trying to run 100 meters in 20 seconds, we have 100 meter over 20 seconds. So her rate is 5 meter per second, her being Lauren. Lauren's rate is 5 meter per second. So that means over here, L is going to be 5 meter per second. And what that means is that you have X plus, in this case, 5 minus 0.4 is 4.6. So 4.6 times 20 equals 100. Well, this over here is 92. So X is equal to 8. So what that tells us is that she needs to start 8 meters in front of Lauren to reach the finish line in 20 seconds. Another thing to note here is because Lauren is 0.4 meter per second faster than Allie, you could have started from here, 0.4 meter per second, and multiplied it by 20 seconds to see basically the distance that Lauren is covering in those the additional distance Lauren is covering in those 20 seconds that Allie does not get to cover. So it's 20 seconds times 0.4 meter per second, that's 8 meters.